At Randolph High School, students in the culinary program recently got a taste of both cooking and content creation thanks to a visit from content creator and influencer Olivia DiMatteo. The day focused on how social media is changing the way restaurants and food businesses attract customers. Inside Randolph High School's culinary classroom, students are learning more than just recipes. They're also discovering how social media can turn food into a business opportunity. Guest speaker Olivia DiMatteo visited the class to explain how videos, photos, and audience engagement can help businesses grow. DiMatteo highlighted how social media has helped grow her platform personally.
It's grown it tremendously. It's really the only place to grow it is social media. It's a way to connect with millions and millions of people in the area, throughout the country, throughout so many regions, helping to make your videos blow up, and you're just constantly connecting with more and more people. You wouldn't be able to do that if social media wasn't a thing.
DiMatteo also gave some advice to those who are interested in trying to start a food business or pursue a career in content creation.
My biggest piece of advice is to not give up. It can take years before your platform takes off, but if you're consistent and you're putting out good content, don't worry about the views, don't worry about the followers, just keep going and the rest will come.
For culinary teacher Chef Pavanelli, the visit connected classroom skills with real-world experience, showing students that success in the food industry now goes beyond the kitchen. Pavanelli emphasized the large role that creativity plays in cooking.
Creativity plays a huge role in culinary arts. As I always tell my students that are in here, think of this as your canvas, the kitchens, and you're the painter. Good, bad, or indifferent, whatever you cook, own it. That is your canvas. You make it what you want it to be.
As food trends continue to spread through apps like TikTok and Instagram, students here are learning that creativity, presentation, and communication can be just as important as the recipe itself. Reporting from Randolph High School, I'm Jake Rubin.